Hello, so the first thing we're going to do is just to show you how to get started with the ZBD developer account. So first you'll need to register, enter your name, your email address, password, etc. And then you just basically have to click create account. I already have an account, so but let me just show you making an account from scratch. So I'll just go Christian Moss, password. I will just do a random password just for this. One uppercase, one symbol. Sorry, this was email, wasn't it? And I'll just create an account here, accept the terms and conditions, of course. And I just need to enter the verification code. And I just have to, fill out the details here. Obviously my company is ZBD. So basically the reason we have to do all this is because ZBD is a regulated company. So in order to make sure that your game is fully compliant, we just need to ask you these various questions. Okay, so now I'm in the dashboard. There's a bunch of guides and tutorials here. I won't need to look at that because this is the tutorial. The main thing to be mindful of is you have a section here where you can make projects. So projects will be your game. We have a wallet here. So this is your developer wallet, which will have all your Bitcoin. So you'll need to deposit Bitcoin here. You can get Bitcoin from a number of exchanges. I'll just reach out to your account manager or support to find the best exchange in your area. We have some stuff like vouchers, which I'm not going to talk about in this video too much, and various marketplaces, etc. But the first thing we want to do is actually just to create a project. So I'm going to make a game called Flappy BTC. Have to enter a description. I'm just going to do blah, 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 blah for this. But do not do blah, blah, blah when you make your game. This description will be used to kind of help verify that your game is in compliance with our rules. We don't allow certain types of games, such as casino games, gambling games, inappropriate games. So just writing a description about your game is an important thing to do. Okay, I think we should be good to go. You don't really, it's good to upload an image here that will be shown in transactions. So if your game sends a transaction to a player in the ZBD wallet, they'll see that icon there. Great, so now I've actually got a game made. I'm actually in sandbox mode. So sandbox mode, it doesn't use real Bitcoin, it uses fake Bitcoin. In order to move to live mode, you will have to complete a KYC verification. So that's something you will have to do before your game goes live and if you want to test the game fully. But I'm just going to log out now and actually just go into an account that I have which is already verified that has a game set up, and just explain a little bit more about how the developer dashboard works. Here I am. I have a test project here that I already made. So once you've made your test project and you're live, the main thing you want to go to is you want to go to API and take a look at this API key. So this API key is going to be what we use in our beamable microservices in Unity to send Bitcoin to the players. Another thing to kind of mention is if obviously we have more than one wallet in the developer dashboard. So you have your main wallet. This wallet does not directly fund games. This wallet is more like a storage. And then each project has its own wallet here. So any Bitcoin or sats in this wallet are the ones that you can send to players using this API key. So if this is empty, you'll get an error sending. So once you've deposited Bitcoin into your main wallet, you can do that from an exchange. As I mentioned, you need to transfer from this wallet to your project wallet. So we have a transfer button here. So we choose the source wallet as the main wallet, and the destination wallet would be your game. So my test project in this example, then I could, maybe transfer 10 sats or whatever. If you want to deposit sats to this wallet, you need to create a charge for the amount you want to deposit. So let's say 100,000 sats. You can create that charge, and then you can copy and paste this into your Exchange Lightning wallet, or however you have your Bitcoin on the Lightning network. It's important to not put too much Bitcoin in your project wallet. A lot of developers keep most of their Bitcoin here, and they top this up as they need to. The reason being, say you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and you put it all in your project wallet, and then your game has a bug where players can kind of hack the game and steal all the Bitcoin. You might be sleeping and you wake up and you've lost $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. What most developers do is they keep the $1,000 worth of Bitcoin in their main wallet, which cannot be accessed via the game, and then they figure out how much they need for the day. Maybe that's $100 worth of Bitcoin, and they put that in the wallet, and then each day they'll transfer it over. I mean, it's up to you how much you want to keep in your project wallet. Depends on your risk appetite and how secure your game is. So obviously, it should be as secure as possible. But that's a useful feature of having this kind of multi-wallet setup. Anyway, that's about it for the dashboard. Like I said, the important thing is you want to make your project, you want to go live, so do the KYC as quickly as possible. If for whatever reason you can't do the KYC, it throws an error, reach out to your account manager and they will help you with that. And then we want to go to API, and we want to generate an API key. Okay, in the next section, we are going to look at our Unity project. I have a sample game called like a Flappy Bird style game, and we're going to look at how we can get started installing Beamable into that project. And after that, we're going to actually install the ZBD template, which after importing will give you a fully functional time-based rewards game, but also with the ability to customize it and change the UI, change the UX, change the mechanic to suit your game. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.